Imagine you're embarking on a grand adventure to build your own website. This journey begins with a fundamental element of the web, HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's like a secret code that tells web browsers how to structure and display the information on a web page. Just like bricks are the building blocks of a house, HTML is the building block of websites. With HTML, you can create headings, paragraphs, images, and even links that connect you to other exciting corners of the web. It's like writing a story, but instead of words describing a world, you're using codes to create a world on the web. But before we start building our website, we'll need some essential tools. The first tool is a web browser, like Google Chrome, which is like a window that lets you see the websites you create. The second tool is a code editor, like Visual Studio Code. This is where you'll write your HTML code, like writing the instructions for building your website. In the next chapter, we'll dive deeper into HTML and start crafting the building blocks of your very own website. Are you ready to unleash your creativity and build something amazing?